Hi lovelies, thanks for stopping by. Here is Phoebe's kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Today once again I'm back and I'll share with you how to make this delicious and super soft and fluffy Ghanaian sweet buns, and I hope you like it. The texture is so soft and fluffy that you might even think it's wet fruit except the cracks on them. That is why I even call it crunchy bofrot or puff puff. Lovelies, they are even softer than dry bofrot, so kids will even enjoy this more. So go nowhere, stay tuned to the end, and as always be inspired. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video to support your girl. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. Without further ado, lovelies, let's dive right into the video for the day. Yeah? In a bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose flour or plain flour. Okay. Next, I'm adding my sugar. Next, I'm adding my baking powder. Next, nutmeg powder. And lastly, my yeast, which is totally optional. I'll then mix everything together until well combined. And after that, I'll create something like a well in the middle and then add my wet ingredients. Alright, so here I've got my fresh whole milk. Next, I'm adding my vanilla extract for flavor. Okay, and next I'm adding my evaporated milk. Lovely, so I'll then come in and mix everything together until well incorporated and until a nice and smooth batter is formed. Yeah. This texture isn't bad when making sweet buns or crunchy bofrot, but I still want it a bit softer than this, so I'll go ahead and add some more milk, and here we go. Beautiful. Again, I'll continue to mix everything together until a very smooth and nice batter is formed. Yeah. So far so good. I'm going for this texture. Alright. At this point, you can just make your oil ready and fry them, okay? But I'll cover mine up for about just 10 minutes and later come back and fry them, yeah? It's been 10 minutes and I'm back, and here I'm going to beat out all the air pockets and then we'll go ahead and fry them, okay? This recipe is similar to making wet bofrot or puff puff. So no worries, it's nothing different except that you get some cracks on the bofrot in the end. Alright, so now I'm adding oil to my frying pan. Once it's heated, I'll just drop in my butter, just like this, okay? I'll repeat myself until all the butter is finished. Lovelies, to support your girl, please like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. And if it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button, and whilst at it, choose the all option so that you will never miss any of my videos. Alright? Ooh, I love the aroma in my kitchen, and so far the color is beautiful. So very soon they should be out of the oil. However, you can keep frying until you get brown color or any other color you are looking for. And if you want them crunchier than this, let them fry some more. But for me, I'm fine with this color and the crunchiness. So far, we are all done making our delicious sweet buns or crunchy bofrot, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Check this out. It feels and looks more like wet bofrot than sweet buns or even crunchy bofrot. Just ignore the cracks because this is the most fluffiest sweet buns or crunchy bofrot that you will ever make. You will love this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.